Hello, welcome to Camper Versions. In this tutorial video I'm going to be showing you how to utilise the Fogstar Lithium Batteries BMS battery management system. It can tell you how much charge is left in the leisure battery, as well as that the charging systems are working correctly. The first thing we need to do is download the Fogstar app, and once you've done that, the first screen that you come to is this one. Now if we click search for new batteries, it'll bring up all the Bluetooth devices in the vicinity. Just make sure your Bluetooth and your location services are turned on for your smartphone. If we find the closest battery, I've actually already relabeled this, the registration of this vehicle. Give that a click and this is the next screen that comes up. You may be required to put in a PIN number at this point, and the PIN number is in your handover pack. You can see there this battery is 91% charged and it's currently being discharged, and you can see how much current is currently being used and the watts currently being used. This is actually an offset number, or the difference between how much is going into the leisure battery. So it's not actually how much is being used if there is some charge that's going into the battery. The hardest system to check that is working correctly is a solar system, because on a cloudy day, for example, there will be very little amps or watts going into the leisure battery. Sometimes it's so small it doesn't actually register on the app, so it'll still say 0. But a way to check that it is working, even on a cloudy day, would be to turn the fridge on in an evening, see what current that's using. It's usually about 4.8 amps. And then if you was to put that on the daytime, you see 3.6 amps or 3 amps, that means you're actually sending 1.8 amps to the leisure battery, and this is, as I say, the difference between the charge and the discharge. Second charging system we can check is the hookup charger. I'm just going to turn that on now. You can see there the green bars changed to charging, gives us an estimated time to full charge. And you can see the current there is 7.8 amps. This is actually a 10 amp charger. So again, we know that we're actually using 2.2 amps somewhere in the camper van with the lights being on or other components. The same goes for the split charge relay. If you open the app and have it into this display here, turn on the engine of the van, this will actually go up and show our estimated time for recharge. During winter months, you can also go into the advanced settings and you can turn off discharging there, leave on charging, so that the battery will stay topped up, but there won't be any risk of discharge accidentally leaving something on over the winter months. That's it. Thanks very much for watching.